Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. Wanted to make this quick video to warn you, if you're an Uber driver, to watch out for this scam. For Lyft drivers too, okay? Before I get started, I want to tell you all about Buckle Insurance. It's a new insurance company, car insurance company for rideshare drivers and gig workers, delivery drivers. So check out the link below. When you sign up for a free quote, they're going to give you $20. They do no credit checks. They will cancel your old auto insurance, could potentially give you a great new rate. So check it out down below, and let's get started. So I'm just gonna show up this screenshot here. This is from a passenger who ordered a ride and said, "Hello, are you able to take me to the Dallas airport?" And the driver said, "Yeah." Maybe, I don't know if they were saying yes or yeah. And then the passenger said, "If so, Uber jacks the prices up so much. Is it cool if I just pay you directly so we can both benefit?" Wow. So obviously passengers really don't care about drivers getting deactivated. And this would get a driver deactivated. If the driver said, "Yeah, no problem," boom, that could be instant deactivation. Why? Because you're breaking the route. Terms of service, you cannot accept cash outside of the app. In exchange, you obviously can accept a tip, but you can't cancel it and then just take it for cash. Why? Because that ride, first of all, won't be covered under insurance. Uber won't cover you in the event of an accident because you're not on the app. And your personal insurance isn't gonna cover it because, well, you're transporting a person in exchange for money, right? So you're basically gonna get effed over if anything happens, like an accident. You don't want, to have to pay out of pocket for any damages to both your car or the other car. Or, God forbid, somebody gets injured. Now, so what do you wanna do in this situation? In most cases, you're probably gonna wanna say no, or I'd probably call up the passenger and say, "Hey, you know what, I would maybe respond and say, "Hey, I can only do in-app rides. Are you cool with that? Otherwise, I'm gonna have to cancel." And another thing too is a lot of times this is a scam because riders will offer the money. They say, "Can I pay you directly so we can both benefit?" And a lot of times what they'll do is when the ride's over, they'll just get out of the car and run. They'll get out and not pay you. Could you imagine that? Taking somebody 50 miles to the airport, and as soon as he gets to the airport, they grab their luggage and run inside the airport. What do you think airport security is going to do when they see an Uber driver chasing somebody down the airport? They're going to tell you to go back in your car. You can't leave your car unattended. People are crazy. People are crazy. So please do not accept cash for rides. But I want to hear from you. Have you ever accepted cash for a ride? And keep in mind, Uber, if they're reading the comments, might deactivate you. So comment with a warning, with a risk, but yeah, actually don't comment because I don't want anybody to get deactivated. That would not be cool at all. I don't want to be a part of that. So let me know if you've ever been asked to take cash for a ride and what you said to avoid that situation. Thanks for watching. Check out Buckle Insurance, link below. We got some other helpful links down there too, like Play Octopus. They pay rideshare drivers to put a tablet in their car. We have a special link for that too. Talk to you soon. Bye now.